Hi! In this video, we will learn how to upload a transaction in Tofu and sync changes to QuickBooks Online. For us to get started, first we need to ensure that our entity is already integrated with QuickBooks. We can go to Settings, Integrations, and here, it should show as connected. Do take note that it would be best if Auto Publish is turned on for AP, AR, and direct expenses. The idea is that once your document has finished processing and sits in the Needs Review status, it will be posted immediately from Tofu to QuickBooks as an actual transaction. So for us to have an example, we can click Go Back here. We can collapse this sidebar and go back to Document View. In our source document, we'll simply click the Upload Document button. We can use a sample AP bill here. Click and select Upload. All right, perfect. It seems that this is done now, so we can move on to the extraction view by clicking this tab here. We can select either one of the pages, and this should be our result view on the third panel. We would highly recommend that, before anything else, you always review all of the fields, such as the title, bill number, dates, due date, supplier's name, line items, amount, and also the account, because these are your chart of accounts. If everything looks good, we can also see this indicator. This indicates that something has been published to QuickBooks. We can hover our mouse over it to see the status. We can also click this button. However, to make sure that you are routed correctly to that transaction, you need to open the client file in QuickBooks on another tab in the same browser where you are opening Tofu. So, as you can see, as long as I am opening the same client file in QuickBooks while I am also opening Tofu, I will be routed correctly to the transaction inside QuickBooks, which is the bill. Alright, so the moment that your transaction still sits in the Needs Review status, whatever changes you've made inside Tofu will be synced back to your QuickBooks Online as well. For example, let's say I want to change my first line item. I'll make the change here. Whatever information you change in Tofu, as I mentioned, will be synced back to your accounting software or QuickBooks. So here, I'll just open the same transaction in QuickBooks and simply refresh my page. And as you can see, the change made in Tofu is also reflected in QuickBooks. So pretty much that's it. Thank you so much for watching.